In this tutorial, I'll show you how to make a crochet heart keychain from start to finish. This project is beginner-friendly and works up quickly, making it perfect for gifts, craft fairs, or everyday use. I'll walk you through each step slowly and in detail, so even if you're new to crochet, you can follow along with confidence. By the end of this video, you'll have a cute and sturdy heart keychain that you can keep for yourself or share with someone special. Let's get started. To begin, create a magic ring. This will form the center of the heart and allow you to tighten it neatly once all the stitches are complete. Into the magic ring, make one single crochet. This stitch helps anchor the rest of the heart shape. Next, chain 2 stitches. These chains create height and help shape the curve of the heart. All of the following stitches will be worked directly into the magic ring. After chaining 2, crochet 2 treble crochets into the magic ring. To make a treble crochet, yarn over twice, insert your hook into the ring, pull up a loop, then yarn over and pull through 2 loops at a time until only 1 loop remains on your hook. Repeat this step once more so you have 2 treble crochets. Now crochet 3 double crochets into the magic ring. Yarn over once, insert your hook into the ring, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops, and then pull through the remaining 2 loops. Repeat this until you have completed 3 double crochets. These stitches help form the rounded side of the heart. Next, chain 2 stitches. This chain forms the point at the top center of the heart. After chaining 2, crochet 3 more double crochets into the magic ring, following the same steps as before. These stitches create the second rounded side of the heart. Now crochet 2 more treble crochets into the magic ring. These mirror the stitches from the first side and complete the heart shape. Chain 2 stitches again and then finish the heart by making 1 single crochet into the magic ring. This closes the shape and balances the first single crochet you made at the beginning. Once all stitches are complete, gently pull the yarn tail to tighten the magic ring. Adjust the tension until the center of the heart closes neatly and the stitches sit comfortably together. Take a moment to shape the heart with your fingers if needed. Cut the yarn, leaving long enough tails to attach the keyring. Take one of the yarn ends and slide it through the keyring. Use both yarn ends to tie a secure knot around the keyring, making sure it is firmly attached and will not come loose with use. After securing the keyring, weave in the yarn ends using a yarn needle. Trim off any excess yarn once everything is neatly finished. If you would like to add a tag to your keychain, thread a sewing needle with matching thread. Position the tag where you want it on the heart and carefully sew it in place, fastening it securely as shown in the video. Your crochet heart keychain is now complete and ready to use or gift. And that's how you make a crochet heart keychain. I hope this tutorial was helpful and easy to follow. Thank you so much for crocheting along with me, and I'll see you in the next video.